Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about trapping. You know, we get a lot of calls from either rodent companies as well as our homeowners stating that, look, I've got rodent infestation, I've been trapping, and they're just not working. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to trap, and we're gonna do that right now. Alright, so you can see the amount of infestation in this bathroom right here. Look at this here. Feces, urine. But more importantly, you can see that they've had these traps here. There's probably about 15 of them inside the home here, and they're just not working. This trap's been sitting here for probably about a week and a half. No activity. There's defecation and activity of rodents everywhere in this house. So the homeowner's just given up. All right, so you can see right there how none of those traps have been activated. And we're seeing this often. One of the first things you want to do, obviously, is find the entry point and stop that. That right there alone is going to help these traps to be activated. But this is the trapping that we like to do to catch more rat. It's been a game changer. Now, you got to remember too, you guys, when it comes to rats, you've got to give them a variety. A lot of times people will just stick with peanut butter, and if it's effective, awesome. That's a good point. But if it's not, got to be able to change up the food, and that's what we've got displayed here. Yeah, so what I like using is just take a regular sponge and just take a little chunk off. Doesn't have to be very big, but like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna slide it on the feed plate like this. And then what you're gonna do is just push this down, and you can see how that's nice and secure. Why is that important, Dave? Well, the reason why is because we want to make sure that we keep the rats right here for as long as possible. What we're finding is the rats are coming in. They're so smart. They just pull the food right off to get their little nibble, and they're gone, and they're never coming back. We'll drench this with peanut butter. If the rats come in, what they're going to do is they're going to tug on that. And you want that tug because, again, you want them in a position to stay longer in that area. You want it to become a smorgasbord. You want the scent. And the thing is, we're seeing is that a lot of these rat traps are just don't have enough food. So looks like some rats got a hold of Dave's gloves. Now that we've got the peanut butter and we've saturated, the big bulk of the peanut butter is going to be right there in the sponge. This is Dave's favorite right here, guys. I love this, I do. So what we do is we take a little bit of cinnamon. They love cinnamon. Again, they love the aroma. And I could smell it. Oh yeah. You guys, I could smell it right here. But here's the secret. So wherever you're gonna place this rat trap, what you wanna do is just take it and go. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna kick the cinnamon throughout the cavity where you're inside the wall, attic area. It gets their aroma going, so they're like, this looks so good. I'm gonna come and feed off of this here. And that's gonna be the secret when you're using peanut butter and cinnamon. Let's go to my brother Jim. We'll look at what he likes using. All right, guys, Big Jim here likes to go with the Slim Jim. So I just take a small portion like this, about 3/4 of an inch size here like this. And you want to take that and you want to hook it horizontally inside that bait plate like that. Gotta make sure that it's tight. And then you want to press down a little bit just like that. Now it's nice and secure within that. And then what you want to do is you want to take that Slim Jim and really douse that bait wood plate here. Again, all about aroma. It's all about attraction. And then I'm going to show you a really cool little hack that a lot of people don't know about. So what you do is you take a little lighter, and wherever you're going to place it, take that lighter and toast up that Slim Jim. May take about a minute or so, but you really want to get that nice and toasty and get that aroma. All right, so here you are. Again, cheese and thread. You've got a buffet of peanut butter and cinnamon and the Slim Jim.
Guys, hopefully this rat trapping video helped you, give you an insight on better trapping methods.
Especially if your rodent companies have done all of your trapping and it's just not successful, we would love to have your feedback to see if this method actually makes a difference.
Absolutely. Hit that subscribe button and that notification button for our next videos, guys. And as always,
we'll see you on the next one.